Sometimes all you need is a good old break to clear your head. Huh? What's that building over there? The light of the device always shows the right path. Huh? What was that just now? Could have sworn I saw something. Who goes there? That cookie? Open your eyes, flush away the ignorance, and reveal your hearts. That cookie's from the Republic, one of the missionaries who preached a religion different from all the teachings of the glorious Celestials. Here? Of all places? Hey! Wait! Where are you going? I wanted to talk, not race. Phew. I almost lost that cookie. Looks like she went inside. What is this temple? My intelligence senses are telling me something is not right. What now, motherfucker? A caller is from the Republic here. In this place? Could it be the Order's base of operations? Tis upon its duty to investigate. What a grim temple. It looks like almost a man from the outside, but here, I can't shake off the feeling of being watched. By the light, all those cookies and that standing in front must be their leader. The rest are listening to their words with great attention. I can't make a word from here. Teach us, your eminence. Oh, godly creators, master of the first office, forgive our sinful notes from fleeing of your sacrifice. Yes, the almighty bakers with open arms, ready to forgive any cookie who wishes to return their blossom. Fellow devotees and dough, the time has come for us to return to our destined home. The dough must stay as once. Therefore, unite we must in the whole dough, bound by shared fate and shared fate. Today, our thoughts are with our fellow devotees who answered the call of paradise and ascended. Behold, the silhouette of our holy avatar! What is this taking place? I have a bad feeling about this. I must return to the Krem Republic at once and inform the knights. We ought to conduct a proper investigation. I must leave before they find me. This way, fellow devotees! Orders to enter upon the eminence holy ceremony on the sun's memorable day. Show yourself! Heh, spoke too soon. You barely close the Krem Republic. What brings you here? Have you ever come in search of guidance? If you wish to come here with the godly creators, you are welcome here. Such blasphemy in the name of a paladin! An insult to my order and the celestial lights! But I clearly outnumbered to draw my sword now. Only, if you don't seem like a seeker of the grace, in that case, shall we look him up in the dungeons? Wait for a moment, please. This is perfect. Their eminence oil ceremony. Book of Soul 4-2. The sweetest cookie, chosen by the Almighty, thou shalt know. Oh, chosen one, may their eminence words deliver your succor. Succor? The fuck is that? Very well. Our faith teaches that any cookie can find redemption in the Almighty Creator's embrace. Let's head to the cathedral. One last thing. You'll be restrained. We cannot risk any disturbance at the hands of new converts. Yes, brother Metal Cookie. Oh, be careful! What's the dough? Silence! Oh, if only I turned back sooner. There's no choice but to use this as an opportunity to learn more about the Order's doings. Fuck you!